Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. If you are new here, if you're not new and you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by and clicking on my video because you obviously like me. That's pretty great. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an Ulta haul, which is fairly new to my channel. I've never done like a beauty haul or anything like that. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then please continue to stay tuned because I got some good stuff in my opinion. Also, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And turn on your bell notification if you want to see more videos from me. I definitely have a lot of hauls coming up, so be on the lookout for that. So anyways, let's get into this box, all this good stuff I got. So let's see. Okay, you guys, so I bought a total of 10 items and I spent $101. So basically $100 for 10 items, not bad for Ulta. I did get this stuff during the 21 days of beauty, so a lot of it, well, some of it was discounted. So the first thing I got was a Real Techniques blush and bronzer brush. Whew, that's a little funny to say. But anyways, here's the brush. I don't know if you guys are like me and you don't really wash your brushes and they just kind of get like super raggedy and busted. Yeah, that's me. I definitely love this brand and I just know that this will work pretty well. Like you can never really go wrong with the brand Real Techniques. So yeah, this is my first item. Next brush is the e.l.f. Precision Powder Brush. I wish I could show you guys what the brush I have now looks like, my powder brush. It's very disturbing, girl. If I can, I'm going to insert a picture of the powder brush that I've been using for like the last 2 to 3 months, maybe 4. It's, woo, I'm going to insert that picture because y'all going to get a good laugh. But anyways, I got the e.l.f. Precision brush. It's big and fluffy. This is basically just to like powder my whole face so I get a nice like airbrush look or whatever. So yeah, I thought this was perfect. Okay, you guys, so the next brush I got was the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush, which is right here. I've purchased this brush like 4 times. I want to say this is the 4th time I've purchased this brush, so clearly I like it. In my opinion, I think it's like a cult favorite for a very affordable price. I basically use this just to like powder under my eyes and on my lids. I'm not really a fan of using a beauty blender because I feel like it packs on too much product. So I just think that this little brush is super perfect for that, and it's very inexpensive because hello, everything from e.l.f. is very inexpensive. So that's that. Clearly we are on a e.l.f. train. I promise I'm gonna get into like the super like good stuff that's from the prestige section of Ulta. So I got this. There's nothing super fancy about it. I mean, I had the coupon that was spend 15 and I think you get $3.50 off or something like that. But I'm sure you guys have all seen the clear brow and lash mascara in clear. I mean, it just does what it needs to do. I really just use it on my eyebrows. It was super cheap. I think it was like $1 after I used the coupon. So yeah, I got that. Okay, so lately I have been into mascara. Not necessarily mascara. Honestly, lately I've been into lashes. But sometimes I have to give the lashes a break because it's pollen outside and I just can't. My eyes are already itchy and watery. That's one reason why I don't have on lashes today and I just have on some mascara. So next on our list is the Rocket by Maybelline. This is also a cult favorite. I feel like this came out when I was in college, which was a very long time ago. It's been out for a really long time. What is it proved to do? Explosive volume even from root to tip, and it does exactly that. So I just needed a new mascara. Now on to blushes. I got 2 blushes. One from ColourPop, the Super Shock Cheek Let me take it out the package and let's see what it looks like. It's in the color Growth Flirt. So that's the color. Ooh, it's looking very bright on camera, which I'm not mad at it. I mean, it's summertime. Let's get a little swatch and see what it looks like. Oh, it's pretty. Y'all, I just love blush. I feel like blush just tops off the whole look. It just makes you look so girly and like feminine and like flirty. Hence all the blush on my cheeks today. So that's the swatch. And I think that's gonna be really pretty on my complexion. Like blend it out. You know, a little bit more. See, I shouldn't have did that. But anyways, yeah, I think I'm really gonna love this. I'll do a tutorial or something, or a get ready with me. Honestly, y'all should check out my other get ready with me because it was pretty good. Okay, the next blush I got was from NYX. It's called Sweet Cheeks. It is a matte blush, and I got this because I remember a long time ago I really wanted Raisin by MAC, and I googled that this was a good dupe, so of course I just went for it. Oh yeah. I don't know, that's kind of ashy. I'll have to see how that looks on my face. That's a little ashy, but anyways. So on to like the prestige stuff. I got 2 lip glosses by Buxom, and then I got a perfume, which I'll share in just a sec. Let me show you these Buxom lip glosses. It's the full-on plumping cream. Now this actually was a part of the 21 days of beauty that Ulta has. I got the color Kier Royal, and I also got the color Hot Toddy. So I'm gonna swatch both of those for you. This is Kier Royal. It's a really pretty like raspberry shade. So that's Kier Royal, and that is in the color Hot Toddy. So Hot Toddy is basically like a pinkish color. So Kier Royal, and then that's Hot Toddy. Last thing I got was a perfume by Giorgio Armani called C. I do believe this is the first one. I kind of wish I would have got the second one in the little like red tube, because whew, that smells so amazing. I actually got this from the YouTuber Aaliyah's Face. She suggested this in her perfume haul, and I'm gonna smell it. I smelled it when I went to Macy's the other day, and I know I like the red one better. So let's spray this and see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, y'all. It smells so good. It smells like grown and sexy and like floral. I feel like this would be really nice in the daytime or nighttime. It's just one of those scents. It does. It smells really good. I'm like obsessed. I thought I was gonna, honestly, I thought I would exchange this for like the red one, because the red one smells like really like feminine too, and this is definitely feminine. So I did get this travel size because honestly, I don't really go anywhere during COVID, and I am a mom, so I really don't go out that much. But you know, when I want to spice it up, this is literally all I need. I have a lot of these like luxury perfumes and like these little tiny size bottles, so, or travel size sprays, that's what it's called. So yeah, these are perfect if you don't want to like make that splurge on $100+ perfume. I do suggest getting like the little travel size, because we really not going nowhere like that for real. So yeah, smells so good. I smell like a lady. I look like a lady. I like my makeup. It's just all great over here today. You guys, so that concludes everything that I got from Ulta. I'm smearing lip gloss everywhere. Anyways, that concludes everything that I got from Ulta. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and check out my other videos. Check out my other hauls. Like I said before, I do have more hauls coming. Also, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Get you some new makeup, because you know we really are gonna have a hot girl summer. If you ain't got no man, you gonna have a hot girl summer. If you do got a man, you gonna have a hot girl summer. So anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.